Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare mint or lemon juice full comparison. Taste both in water and note aroma, acidity, sweetness, and cooling effect while observing texture and potency. Use small sips to avoid palate fatigue. I will point out practical uses in drinks, salads, and desserts, and suggest simple swaps for brighter acidity or fresher herbaceous notes during cooking or garnishing. Mint offers a cooling, herbal lift with menthol notes and gentle sweetness, while lemon juice provides a sharp, bright acidity that wakes up dishes. Compare them in equal parts in water or tea to judge intensity and balance, and adjust amounts based on desired brightness or cooling. I'll show you simple swaps and how each ingredient behaves under heat and when paired with sugar, salt, or oils. Mint works beautifully in cold dishes, cocktails, and desserts to add fresh aroma, while lemon juice brightens dressings, marinades, and baked goods with vivid acidity. Try both together in drinks or dressings for a lively contrast that balances sweet, salty, and fatty elements. I'll give quick ratios and pairing tips so you can swap one for the other confidently, and suggest when to use fresh leaves versus concentrated juice.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.